Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a very simple, elegant Dollar Tree DIY for you. And we're going to be making a pair of graduated candle holders. And for this project, everything you'll need can be found at Dollar Tree except for the spray paint and the E6000 glue. So I've got a pair here of candle votive holders or candlestick holders. And then a pair of votive holders here, and also a pair of these golden votive holders, some masking tape, and of course the spray paint in the E6000. And what I'm going to do is tape off the outside of this candle votive holder here, and we're going to spray paint down in the inside of this with the gold spray paint. And then for these, I'm going to be taping off a pattern on the outside with this masking tape, and then I'm going to be spray painting these as well. Once I have gotten those pieces spray painted and everything is dried, then I'll come back in and I'll get everything assembled, and then we can go ahead and get started with creating the pair of graduated candle holders. So let's get started. Okay, and so now I've gotten all of these pieces all taped off on the outside, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be spray painting all of these pieces on the inside of the glass. And what that does is it gives you a very high shine quality on the glass, because it's just it has a more reflective quality when you paint on the inside. And then the outside, you still have that super shiny glass quality about it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And then I most likely, once I've done spray painting these on the inside and then the paint has dried, I'm going to go over it with a top coat to protect it on the inside. So I can either use these as hurricanes or votive holders, and then I can also use them for floral vases as well. Okay guys, so everything is now dried, and I'm going to go ahead and start getting the pieces assembled to create these candle holders. And so what I'm going to do is just take everything and turn it upside down and center it and line it up. I'm going to be using some E6000 for a permanent bond. And there you go guys. I'm going to let this dry for a few hours, and then I'll be back to show you how they look when they're completed. Now it does take 24 hours for this to dry completely, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to let these dry for a couple of hours, and then I'll turn them right side up so you can see how they look. These have been drying for about 4.5 hours. I'm just going to turn them over like that so that you can see how it looks. Isn't that beautiful? Turned out absolutely beautiful. You still got all of this clear stem coming down here, and you got the gold there, and the gold with this votive gives you a different type of finish on the gold, and then you've got this. And I think it turned out beautifully, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you how I'm going to be using these around my home in decor. Well, there you have it guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, Please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.